Beard trimmer are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000, 13-piece men's grooming kit. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 is a pared-down version of the Multigroom 7000. Slightly smaller and mostly made of plastic, this immediately feels and looks like a more budget version of the other Philips trimmer. That being said, it is still a very capable device but less all-encompassing than the 7000. With 7 blade guards, a smaller width detail blade, and an ear-nose trimmer attachment, this device offers a decent range of options for short to medium-length beards and the ability to touch up haircuts. The provided carrying case is on the flimsy side, and the slide zip closure doesn't seem very durable. This device wouldn't be our first choice for serious hair cutting, but is great for keeping up with facial and body hair at a reduced price. Number 2. Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 7000, 23-piece men's grooming kit. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 trimmer is truly an all-in-one device. Equipped with 23 different attachments, it's capable of meeting all your grooming needs. This handy device can trim your facial and body hair, as well as perform full-on haircuts. It was unquestionably the most versatile device we tested. With an incredibly long-lasting battery and high-quality blades, there isn't much to complain about with this trimmer. The stainless steel handle is ergonomic to hold and has a hefty weight that gives it the satisfying feel of a well-made tool. Our main gripe with this model is that it's not fully waterproof, leaving you out of luck if you like to shave in the shower. This caveat aside, we think the Multigroom 7000 is the perfect device for people looking for one tool to tackle all their grooming needs. Number 3. Wahl Rechargeable Lithium-Ion All-in-One Beard Trimmer Shaver. The Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit is a step up in quality from the Wahl Groomsman. The primary difference is that this model has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, whereas the Groomsman requires the use of AAs. Our testers enjoyed the feel and ergonomics of the rubberized handle and found the blades to cut exceptionally well. Designed with facial and body hair in mind, this trimmer doesn't come with longer blade attachments for anything but the shortest of haircuts. Number 4. Wahl Professional Classic White Peanut Hair and Beard Clipper Trimmer. The Wahl Peanut is a simple and bomb-proof device. Part of Wahl's professional line of products, this trimmer is built for heavy-duty use. Its corded power system is both a blessing and a curse. The lack of an internal battery means one less piece can break, but ultimately keeps you tethered close to a wall outlet. This compact trimmer sits comfortably in your palm and is easy to work with and especially easy to clean. True to the Wahl brand, this is a highly effective cutting tool. The Peanut only comes with 4 blade guards, ranging from up to 1/2, which seriously limits the out-of-box versatility. It's great for trimming down or maintaining big thick beards and for keeping your fade looking fresh between trips to the barber. Number 5. Braun Hair Clippers for Men 9-in-1 Beard, Ear and Nose Trimmer Men's Grooming Kit. The Braun 9-in-1 Trimmer is a versatile and rechargeable trimming device that is fully waterproof. For those who prefer taking care of your grooming in the shower, this device will likely be your top choice. Despite only coming with 4 blade guards, once installed, the 2 larger guards each offer 5 adjustable lengths, giving you an enormous level of control and refinement. This timer also comes complete with a nose and ear trimmer attachment, a reduced width detailing attachment, as well as a dedicated body hair trimmer. In addition, this kit provides a Gillette Fusion razor with 2 disposable blades. The biggest flaw we found was how finicky locking in the blade guard micro adjustments could be. We also didn't personally love the ergonomics of the handle, but it's certainly not a deal breaker. This is an excellent device. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.